Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video, it's a collaboration with Fly Seahorse company. They sponsored this video, so I would like to thank them to sponsoring this video. They sent me a bunch of silicone molds and also cute little cookie cutters. So in today's video I decided to show you a hot trend right now using their unicorn silicone mold, and it's the cake top forward look. So if you guys want to learn how to make this cute cake, we'll keep on watching. So basically how I made this cake was very simple. You're just gonna do your normal cake stacking, and you're gonna do your crumb coat, and you're also gonna do your second layer of buttercream or Swiss meringue buttercream, or even whipped cream if you want, no problem. And then once you have that, you're gonna make sure that your cake is completely chilled, turn it around, and then cover the other side, which would be the bottom side, with buttercream, Swiss meringue, or whipped cream, and then making sure everything is nice and even. And then cut the bottom part just a little bit, doesn't have to be a lot, you don't want to cut a lot, and then put it in the fridge or freezer so that it's really cold and chill, so like that you can lift it and then place it on top of the final cake board. Now, to create the little decorations, again, I'd like to say thank you for the company Fly Seahorse to have sponsored this video and to have collaborated with me on this. And basically, they sent me these this cute little mold. So it comes with the horn and with the ear, which is in the back, and this would be in the front. So basically it's very simple, and what I like about this is because it's 3D and they connect in one another. So you just fill it in with fondant. You can mix your fondant with Tylose or even just use gum paste as you want. And then so you just place your fondant or your gum paste on the inside, making sure that it's flat, not too much. Then you do that on both silicone molds, and then you're gonna just brush a little bit of water and then put them together. And what I do is I also place a skewer, a wooden skewer, so like that it's gonna be ready to just place it on your cake, and it makes my life easier. So if you do it after unmolding it, the skewer, what happens is that most likely it's gonna lose its shape. So just do it while you're placing the fondant on your mold. So yeah, so you wet it, and then you place it, you squish it, and then you unmold, and you have your perfect horn. And then you can go ahead and then just paint it with metallic paint like seen in the video. Same thing for these. Basically you start with the bigger piece and then with the smaller piece, and then you connect them together to create an ear, and then again you can put a toothpick, and then boom, you're ready to go. And it also comes with the eyes also, which you can do any color that you want, white, black, gold, whatever. It's whatever your preference is. So I got a bunch of 3D cutters that are really cool. I got like a little rainbow right here. So basically you get the big cutter, and then you get all the little pieces to glue inside the cutter. And then I got a huge pacifier and a cute little bottle right here, and a little elephant, so cute, perfect for a baby shower. So it comes with the big cutter, and then you have the little ear, and then a little round one for the nose. And yeah, so how these works, basically they come with a big cutter, and then it comes with little cutters to really make your life like easier. Basically you're just going to use a big cutter to, well, obviously cut your cookie dough. You're gonna bake it like you normally would, and then you would reuse the same cutter to cut the shape, to glue it on top of your cookie using a modeling chocolate or even fondant. And then you're gonna use these little pieces to create like a finished effect or a 3D effect that you're simply going to cut and glue on top of your initial piece. So I would highly suggest you going to see their website. It's really cool. They have like a bunch of silicone molds. They sent me like this one and also that one. This is more for lace, very pretty. And then you have this also. They have really nice stuff, guys. A little cute little angel and more of these right here. The company again is called Fly Seahorse, and yeah, I would highly suggest you going in my description box down below to go check them out. Really, really cool company. And again, a big thank you for them to have sponsored this video. So I really hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.